guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen. Welcome back to my channel. So I want to post the must-do deals for Walgreens next week. This week, there's still a ton of hot deals going on. We have the beauty event going on starting Thursday, and that will end on Saturday. So I will be doing a Walgreens beauty event haul, of course, for you guys tomorrow. So with the hectic rest of the week, I wanted to get this video out for you guys now so we can start planning for deals next week. There is also a booster that is available in the weekly ad. And because a lot of the stores are not printing the ads anymore, it will be digital available on everyone's account. So you don't have to worry about some accounts getting them and some not. I also have a scenario for you to use that digital booster at the end, so stay tuned for that. If you're not subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I will be doing some more frequent giveaways, giving away some coupon inserts, so I'm getting that worked out and I will have the details for you guys this weekend. So let's go ahead and dive into these deals for Walgreens. There are 8 hot deals. There's some cheap diapers, some cheap hair care, some food deals, you name it. So the first deal I want to share with you is on Head & Shoulders. So next week they will be $5.99. We are getting a digital coupon. How we know that is it shows right here in the photo, online coupon. That means they're going to give us that digital. And when you buy 2, you're going to get a $3 register reward. So the way the deal will turn out, you'll grab 2 of the Head & Shoulders at $5.99 each. Then you're going to use that 3 off of 2 digital coupon. You'll pay $8.98, get back a $3 register reward, making your final cost $5.98 for both or $2.99 each. This will track towards Walgreens Beauty as well. Now, it's not the best deal. We definitely get Head & Shoulders a lot cheaper at CVS, but that is usually pretty CRT heavy, and when they're including it in the spend 30, get a $10 extra buck deal. So if you don't have a CVS near you, this is still not a bad price for Head & Shoulders. All and Snuggle. I love when this deal comes around because you can really stock up on some super cheap items. So there's quite a few that are going to be included. All of them are in this picture. The Snuggle scent boosters, the All detergent. Typically the packs are included as well. I think they're called Almighty packs, and the Snuggle dryer sheets. So whichever one you want. The Snuggle fabric softener is also usually included. So at the bottom it says All or Snuggle laundry care select varieties. So we'll have to wait on Sunday until the app opens and updates, and we can see what is going to be included in this deal. So what you can do, I just put the All detergent, but of course you can pick whichever you want. There is a $1 digital coupon that will work on any of those items. Final from the 7-12 inserts, or there's going to be a digital as well, because we typically get a digital. So this just says coupon savings. It doesn't say online coupon. So fingers crossed, we typically do get a digital coupon. If not, we are going to get that $1 coupon in our 7-12 inserts. So your final cost is just $1.99. There's no limit on this deal, so you can do this deal a couple times if you have some additional coupons. You can do it all in the same transaction. Just try to be mindful and not clear the shelves. The limit would depend on whatever the Walgreens store manager or associate wants to limit. Nice storage bags. This comes around quite often, and these are the storage bags that I use personally, and I love the freezer bags. I get the sandwich freezer bags, I think, and they're amazing. So they are buy 1, get 2 free, and they're all $2.79 each. So you can mix and match. The 4 or 8 gallon trash bags are also included. I personally just use like the Walmart bags and the Walgreens bags, CVS bags, whatever, as trash bags. So I never pick up the trash bags, but if that is something you want to do, definitely an amazing price point. If you've used them before, drop a comment. Let me know if they're a good quality for the nice trash bags, or if they kind of rip and tear pretty easy. Your final cost, no matter what you get, is going to be just 93 cents each, which is awesome. Even if you're grabbing some from Dollar Tree or your local dollar store, it's still going to be cheaper and a better quality to grab these at Walgreens next week. Renuzit Cones, we do have a couple Ibotta rebates that I'm going to share with you in this video as well. Hopefully we'll get another round of amazing Ibotta bonuses that we can go after to be able to get some even better savings. So the Renuzit Cones, this also comes around quite often. They're 89 cents next week, which is a really great price. Walmart, they're $1. Dollar General, they're $1 as well. So these are going to be cheaper than both of those places. You're going to grab 6 of them. There is a buy 4, get 2 free coupon that we're going to get in our Retail Me Not insert. So what you're going to do is then pay $3.56, submit to Ibotta for $2 back when you buy at least 5. Final cost is $1.56 for 6, or just 26 cents each. And if you do this deal, if you've done it before, there is a Renuzit bonus. So I only have to do this one more time, and then I'll hit that bonus, giving me an additional $1 back, which for me would make it just 56 cents for 6 of those cones, which is not a bad deal. Kelloggs cereal. This is a hot deal and another Ibotta rebate. If you're new to Ibotta, if you're not signed up, definitely use my code. Here it is listed. When you sign up, make sure you scan your first rebate. So all you have to do is add the rebate to your account. If you want to do this one, for example, you'd go to Walgreens next week, grab the Kellogg's, submit your receipt, you'll get that rebate back, and you will be getting a welcome bonus as well. But you do have to do that, I think, within 7 days of signing up. So don't forget about the app. If you need to know how to use the Ibotta app, I do have a video on my channel which goes over all the ins and outs. So you can click the video above and it'll teach you how to use the Ibotta app, and we'll be on the same team so we can help each other reach more bonuses. So for the Kellogg's deal, it is $1.99 for select varieties. The Pop-Tarts are also included, the 8-pack of Pop-Tarts. We will be getting a 50-cent digital coupon. So right there, amazing deal. You're going to pay $1.49. But it gets even better using that Ibotta Rebate app. For the Fruit Loops, my account shows a 40 cents back rebate. Some accounts do vary. You may have 50 cents back, 75 cents back. You never know. So check your account and see what you guys have. For Frosted Flakes, my account shows 45 cents back. So it just depends. They are all different rebates. So if you wanted to get a couple, you can submit for each one and get a couple different rebates. Your final cost for the Fruit Loops would be just $1.09. Bic Stationary Products. So school is coming around again. Of course, we don't know if schools are going to be in. Are they not going to be in? Always good to still stock up to prepare for whenever school goes back in session. I know a lot of daycares are open and you can always donate these items. I don't use a lot of these mechanical pencils. I used to love them when I was in school. They were like the thing back in the day was mechanical pencils. Or those amazing yellow pencils with the it was like a red eraser, and the eraser was like so perfect. Anyway, I don't remember what they were, but they were like a yellow pencil. If you guys are around my age, I'm sure you know which one I'm talking about. So anyway, back to the deals. So you can save up on these. You can donate them. I did that when I had a bunch for a Walgreens deal glitch that happened probably a couple months ago. And I just brought it to the daycare and gave it to them, and they were super appreciative. So that is another amazing thing you can do if you want to help give back to your community. So the Bic Stationary Products, the mechanical pencils, or the highlighters, those are the only ones that are included for this. And it says select variety, so we'll have to check again what is going to be included on Sunday. They're $1.99. We're getting a $1 digital coupon, making them just 99 cents. How amazing is that? 99 cents for some stationery products. Pringles. This is a really good deal and the cheapest I've seen Pringles in a little while. Previously, they were like 4 for $4 or something like that. But next week, they are going to be on sale 4 for $4, which is already 50% savings because regular price, they're $1.99. And Walgreens is giving us a $1 off of 4 digital coupon, which is amazing, making your final cost only $3 for 4 cans of Pringles, or 75 cents each. So that is awesome if you want to stock up on some Pringles. So this deal is going on as well. Spend $20, you're going to get back 5,000 points, which is the equivalent to $5. Couple different items included. I just put together a quick scenario. You can grab one Pampers for $9.99 and either one Tide Liquid or the Tide Pods 21 or 42 count. Couple other things included as well. You're going to use a $1.50 Pampers digital coupon, a $3 Tide digital coupon, which is awesome. So this scenario is all digital. You don't have to worry about having had the PNG insert with the Tide coupons. I know they're really hard to come by. So with this scenario, you'll pay $17.48, get back 5,000 points, making your final cost $12.48 for 2 items or $6.24 each. Now, it's not the best deal, still some good savings for the diapers, and you are getting a really large Tide product. So even at Walmart, the Tide and the Tide Pods are $11.90. I think they're like $11.94 at Walmart. So you're still getting some really great savings. It's almost half off. We do see them typically a little cheaper at CVS. Again, you need some CRTs to get them for a cheaper price point. So definitely some great savings. You always want to make sure you're scanning your receipt and submitting it for the PG Reward program. It is a newer program. There's no app for it. So what you do is you just open your browser on your smartphone, go to pggoodeveryday.com, sign up or sign in, whatever it says to get registered. It's super easy. It takes 2 seconds. Then at the bottom, you hit scan receipt. You select where you went. So you'd put Walgreens. Select what PG items you bought. Tide and Pampers are both PNG items. So you would click them both. You would get 50 points per item. 150 points is $1. So right there, you would get like what, 75 cents back? And you can submit that towards gift cards, which is always awesome. Any kind of rebate app is always amazing and of course appreciated. So this is that booster that I was telling you about. It is showing right in the weekly ad, which is available on the Walgreens app. So this will be available for everyone, and there will be a digital version that you can clip and send to your card. So when it's 10 times everyday points, the math works out to being about 100 points per dollar spent, something like that. Anyway, so when you're spending $20, you're going to get back 2,000 points. If you're spending $30, you're going to get back 3,000 points. So if you are doing this deal, you don't have to only spend $20. If you want to spend $35, $40 in product value, you can, and you'll get even more points back. So it doesn't stop at 20. So just a heads up on that, points do vary. So for this scenario, you would be getting back a little bit more than 2,000 points. I just don't know the exact math. So what you can do is going to be using the booster with that deal that I just showed you for the spend 20, get 5,000 points. So again, get one large Tide liquid for $11.99, one Pampers $9.99. The coupons were equaling $4.50. You'd get back 5,000 points from doing the deal and 2,000 points from the booster, making it even better, $10.48 for both items, or $5.24 each, which is more than half off of the Tide, almost half off of the Pampers, still cheaper than what you would get at Walmart. So that is a great deal. And I have one more scenario for you guys that I wanted to share in case you're not needing any laundry products or Pampers. So this is using the other deals that I put together in this video. So what you can do is pick up 2 of the Head & Shoulders at $5.99 each. 1 of the Bic pencils or highlighters, of course, those were included as well. They are $1.99. 6 of the Renuzit Cones at $5.34 for all 6, because remember, they were 89 cents each. And 1 of the Kelloggs cereal at $1.99. Your total will come to $21.30. The coupons, we had a 3 off of 2 digital for the Head & Shoulders. The buy 4, get 2 free Renuzit coupon coming in our Sunday Retail Me Not insert. The 50-cent Kellogg's digital and the $1 Bic digital coupon. With those, you'll now pay $15.02 out of pocket, and it is a spend booster, so do not pay with points. You can use register rewards to help lower your out-of-pocket cost. For this particular scenario, you can use like 1, 5, 6. You could use up to 6 because a lot of the Renuzit Cones don't have any coupon attaching to it. And the Head and Shoulders, it's a 3 off of 2. So that's 1 coupon attaching to 1 item. So the other item would be free. So you wouldn't have to worry about that. You would get back 2,000 points from the booster, a $3 register reward from the Head and Shoulders. Ibotta, you're going to get back $2.40. The $2 for the Renuzit, 40 cents for the Kellogg's Fruit Loops cereal. Your final cost is $7.62 for 10 items, which is a super, super good deal. Of course, you want to make sure, again, you're submitting your receipts to Fetch Rewards as usual. If you are doing the Ibotta rebates, make sure you don't forget and submit your receipt to Ibotta. One more tip for you guys for the Spend 20 or any kind of spend boosters. When you're using register rewards, the cashier that I chat with from Walgreens mentioned to me that it is always best to scan the filler items first. So like in the Tide and Pampers deal, let's go back to that one. For this deal, if you're doing this for the Spend 20, get 10 times everyday points, you would be paying a high out-of-pocket cost. I think it was $7.48 out of pocket. So if you're wanting to use register rewards, which of course you can, you need filler items because we have a coupon attaching to the Tide and we have a coupon attaching to the Pampers. So you would need filler items. So if you want to add some candy, some Arizona iced tea, whichever, he suggested that you scan your filler items first. That way the register rewards, once you scan those at the end, know to attach to those items and then scan your other items after. So he was mentioning that the order at which you scan your items is important, just like it is at Dollar General, which today I messed up a little bit at Dollar General because I didn't have them scan the Gain products in the right order, which was totally my fault. But that's okay. It does happen to everyone. So just a heads up on that as well. If you have any questions, of course, drop a comment, let me know. Don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up for me. Share it with your friends and family if any of them are looking for some additional savings on some everyday household items. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you tomorrow in my Walgreens beauty event haul.